Start recording. Alright. Let's see if I can... Okay, that. Alright. L2 is a map. Yep. That's fair. Okay.
Say whoa, man.
The camera angle changes as they spin. Square is my menu. Mm-hmm. Oh, that's fair.
Good try. Bigger turds
What's up, Billy?
and stuff in there.
Alright. Alright, what am I doing here? I gotta go get Billy something sharp. I hope there's not a dog around here somewhere. Oh, I hope there's not a bad camera angle around here somewhere. What you holding? Handgun ammo. You wasted enough shots. I'm gonna need it. Alright, let me get it.
Hmm? Oh, he fucks with them and then he kills them. And then he hides them.
The conductor. I wonder if the conductor's a zombie. Let's go, bitch. Oh.
Map! There's a map behind you! Look behind you!
Nope, grab the... We're gonna need that later. I got the map. What haven't we discovered on this train? How do you... Wait. Took the train map. You don't say.
Look in the cabinet! It's open!
Shut your mouth. Go to travel on the next world. Take the briefcase. Fuck yeah. Let's check out this briefcase. Woo! Look at it spin. It appears to be locked. There are two holes that look as if they fit some kind of round object. Woo! That's kind of weird. That's not what I wanted. You don't need to use this now. My inventory's filling up quick, D. What are we going to do about that?
Because Comcast is
Trash.
the company.
More like calm ass.
Xfinity is the service given to you by the company.
Well, natural point of progression, I
Yeah,
guess.
because that's a good idea. That's a good idea. You're just going up a ladder. Not like touching a bunch of wet electrified wires with
Let's
your
go,
bare
bitches.
hands.
It's a good thing they're not fast. Wait. You got some cash? No, I don't got no cash. Mediterranean style shrimp. Carpaccio roast chicken. Sounds dope. Are you sure it's not brains? No, I'm good.
Billy, are you horny?
Billy, is that you again? I thought I told you no.
Still waiting on you to shoot.
Yeah, we're getting out of here. We're getting the fuck out of here. Why is it R1, L1? Like, what kind of backwards ass? Ooh, shiny.
Otherwise, it sounds squishy.
Here's the ice pick.
Go on.
I gotta go back and hand this to Billy so he can move on a little bit. My god, my inventory is full as shit. Oh.
Huh. Hello.
Well, time to discard some of this shit. Just kidding.
Just use the green plant.
Yeah, but I still don't have any ammo. Let's just go back and give this to Billy real quick and come pick up some of this shit. I'm gonna use this though. Maybe I'll give Billy my handgun. He can have.
You fucked up.
I fucked up.
Hmm? What? No, I'm gonna.
Grab the fucking shotgun.
What? No. No. No, don't.
Because I know as soon as I go back in this room, the fucking whatever it was is gonna fucking hop down, try to fuck me up. Doesn't this take 2 slots though? Yeah. Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe.
This is gonna take up 2 slots, isn't it? Yeah, shotgun ammo. That's what I wanted. Yeah, whatever. I wonder if I should just. Whatever. We're just gonna have to do it without the shotgun, boys.
Ew.
Well, that didn't work.
What? Where did my showcasing go?
Yeah, X is shoot and circles reload. That's so intuitive. So very intuitive. Oh, that's not ominous. Oh.
Sweet camera angle, bro.
Aw, jeez. We're never getting the shotgun again, D. Sorry.
Damn it! I really like that one. Huh.
The crustacean
Heard you like the seafood.
cannot operate your PS4 with your voice right now. No! Smacked in the face. He's like, get out! First things first. Make sure you look. Billy.
I'm like a damn
You're
monkey.
useless. Do I have to have the shotgun to beat this guy?
I don't know. Maybe? Probably not.
I feel like it'll make it a lot easier.
Probably not. Probably not. But it probably would make it easier, yeah.
I'll come back for you.
It's like, let's keep briefcase. Let's not bring shotgun.
That's Nate logic for you. 2. God damn it, that's not.
Again? Didn't they just do that last week?
Come on. Come on. I swear to God if it's a briefcase.
Are you sure you just didn't look the one that you already seen?
That's a nice looking shotgun. That's a nice looking shotgun. I'm gonna die, D, just so you know. Oh, awkward. Oh, bitch. I'm just gonna do this.
You said he doesn't work for him.
Oh, come on. This is the dumbest fight. Nope. Yeah, I wasted about half those shots on nothing.
I'm aware.
I knew that shit was.
Wow,
That was the best mechanic. I remember. That's like the only mechanic I remember. No, no, no. Do not want. Rebecca, you dumb bitch. Saw that one coming. This fucking scorpion is beating the shit out of me. Ow. Oh. Oh, right in the cooch.
Oh, right in the vagina. Oh. Well, she's pregnant now.
Aw, that feels bad.
Noob.
Can we just not put that in the playthrough?
No, it's absolutely going in there.
Oh, here we take these underpants
Yeah,
off.
take them underpants off. The door to safety is shut. There is no turning back. Dot, dot, dot.
Um,
It's been a long time since I've played a Resident Evil, okay? Except for the time I beat Resident Evil 7. That happened real quick. What am I doing?
Last time on Dragon Ball Evil.
Yeah, I want the handgun ammo. I'm clearly gonna need it.
Oh. Oh my god, you're all the way.
Don't worry though, speedrun strats.
I don't know well about all that.
Yeah. The fucking ladder comes down. Let's go. What's the hotkey for combining stuff without pressing going to the menu? Triangle? Can you help me out here?
What?
Hotkey for combining stuff without pressing the button.
What? You did.
Whatever. There isn't one. I thought there was one. Look, we're already back where we were. See, everything's okay.
No!
Why'd you say no?
And then I just seen something that like hurt a lot. What the fuck was that?
It's in the air.
Come on, pick up the fucking shotgun, Rebecca. Jesus.
There's a girl in the Ninja Warrior.
Oh. Yeah, Nate feels confident. He got a shotgun now, and he won't probably waste 4 shots into nothing.
I like how you say probably. Ah! Fucking camera angles. Oh my god, it's a scorpion. Oh my god, I have to pick up the stupid fucking thing, don't I? God damn it. Do I have to have it in my inventory? Or can I just pick it up and drop it again?
I don't know.
Let's prioritize here, Nate. Let's just go give this to Billy real quick. Famous last words.
That's right.
Alright, I don't want to watch that shit again. No, no, no. Oh, you bitch. No! Oh, come on.
Oh, bitch slap in the back, man.
Oh my god, Rebecca, reload faster.
Ah, you.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I'm just gonna like go here and reload and come back in and expect this boss to be in the same condition he was when I left him.
Okay.
And is he? Yeah. Reload. Oi! Reload! I cock it!
Oh, that's unavoidable. How are you supposed to even... Like, how are you even supposed to avoid that? There's no way. Oh, shit. Eat dick, scorpion. What are the chances I'm not going to have enough ammo for this? Yeah! Yeah! Oh. Are you fucking done yet?
Yeah. Yeah, I think it's fine.
If I leave the room, is it going to come back to life?
Yeah, it's dead. It's dead.
Oh, D, I don't know if I ever told you this, but I'm not very good at Resident Evil games.
I know.
Not sure if you were, like, prepared for that or not, but...
Oh no, I'm aware. I'm painfully aware.
So every time you get on, you're gonna have, like, no ammo or anything left.
Mm. That's okay, I just won't pick any up when I'm playing. You'll have to, it'll become your problem.
Become my problem is great. Alright. I'm gonna just not even get those ink ribbons, because... Well, I don't have room for them. Okay, I'm gonna pause real quick and stop the